Choosing the right platform for your website is like selecting the perfect foundation for your dream home. So today, let's break down Zoho sites versus WordPress to see which one best fits your needs. First up, Zoho sites known for its incredibly user-friendly, drag-and-drop interface. Even a complete beginner can build a professional website quickly. Think intuitive, with pre-designed blocks and simple customization options. Now, WordPress, while there is a small learning curve, it provides unmatched flexibility through its vast library of themes and plugins. You can tailor your site to do almost anything you can imagine. Let's talk budget. Zoho sites offers different pricing plans, even a free one, and it includes hosting. WordPress itself is free, but you'll need to factor in the cost of a domain name, hosting, and potentially premium themes or plugins, which can add up quickly. Customization is where the two diverge. Zoho sites focuses on simplicity. You can easily adjust colors, fonts, and layouts within preset parameters. Great for maintaining a consistent brand look. WordPress offers almost limitless customization. You can tweak every aspect of your site's design and functionality with custom code, child themes, and specialized plugins. The options are endless. So, who wins? If ease of use and quick setup are your priorities, Zoho sites is a great choice. However, if you need ultimate flexibility, advanced features, and aren't afraid of a steeper learning curve, then WordPress is likely the better option. Consider what kind of website you're building, its complexity, and your technical comfort level. Both are great platforms, so choose the one that empowers you to build your best website. Don't forget to like and subscribe.